I've been a standing desk user for about 10 years, and I've always been curious about the potential for turning that desk into something that helps me keep myself a little bit fitter, you know, by putting a treadmill or something underneath. Well, this is LifeSpan's Ampera, and it was announced late last year, and this is the first time I'm getting to actually try it out. Basically, you can sit on here, do a workout, and use all of the energy that my legs are generating to charge your devices at the same time. I don't know if you can see, but down here there is a 15-watt Qi charging plate. There is also a USB-C port with a maximum output of 65 watts. I'm going to stop pedaling. I'm really running out of breath. There is an app that will let you change the intensity or the resistance of the bike, so you can do something quite leisurely. If you put it all the way up to level 4, which is quite intense, you can produce anything up to about 215 watts as you're cycling. Admittedly, if you do it for too long, you're either going to have thighs the size of tree trunks or you're going to keel over. Now, there are other cool things about this bike. For a start, you don't need to plug it in. It powers itself entirely from your efforts. There's a colored LED ring around the pedals, and you can change that in the app to any number of very cool colors. And interestingly enough, the bike's made from something like 30% recycled polystyrene, and whilst it's quite sturdy, it's got a very thick metal frame. It only weighs about 35 kilos, and so once you flip it up onto its two front wheels, you can just very easily slide it in and out from under your standing desk. This actually came out just before the holiday season, and you can get it right now from Amazon and LifeSpan. Normally it would be $999, but to celebrate the fact that it is the start of the new year, it's currently reduced to $799. Now, if you'd like to know everything about this and learn about it without hearing me panting, or any of the other brilliant things that have come out of CES 2024, then please point your browser and your eyes to Engadget.com.